learn how to jump float serve, first watch the float serve video and then come back to this video. 1. Step. It starts with 3-step approach jump. For right-handed, the first step left, the second step is slightly long and to the right, and the third step is short and to the left. 2. Throw the ball. You have 2 ways, double-handed or single-handed for throwing the ball. 3. Hit time. At first step throw the ball, take the second step and then a third step jump and hit the ball. Common mistakes. Don't throw the ball forward too much, it will cause a fail. Also, don't throw the ball too far back because it will spin into the opponent's area.